Hi everyone, welcome back. We have this beautiful tea table and I want to make sure that I protect this tea table by putting a glass cover or a plastic sheet over it. I tried to put tablecloth and it was not looking pretty. I tried the transparent plastic sheet, even that was not looking appealable to me. So to cover this and to protect it and still keep the elegant look of it, what I did was I brought this tube light cover. This is the ceiling light cover. It is a thick plastic sheet that you can get it in the home improvement store. So I thought, being very frugal and trying to be creative, I thought I can make use of this sheet. This only costed me $15. We tried to get the glass top done for this table, but they said it is going to cost around $200 to $300. So I got this plastic sheet that is used to cover the ceiling light, the tube lights in the kitchen or elsewhere. And I thought I will be cutting this in the right shape to match the tea table, and we can use this. This is shatterproof and also it can hold heat well. So many times we eat dinner on the couch watching TV in the night. So this is what I will be doing and I will be sharing it with you. Taking the white packing paper that you get in the store when you buy something, I have laid it over the tea table. Now I will be tracing the shape of the tea table so I can transfer it on the plastic sheet and then cut it. Okay, cut it. So what I've done is, after I put this white sheet on top of this table, I am trying to trace it by holding the pencil in a slanting position and just going around the shape of it. You don't have to do anything much other than just gently press where the table ends and it is giving you the shape of the table. Now I finished tracing it. Now I will be cutting this through. The final look of the tea table, guys. It looks really beautiful. I'm super happy with this project. We saved at least $300 instead of getting a custom fit cut glass to fit it, and it is not like super perfect, the length of it, but I feel super happy because I could bring the shape by cutting it according to the tracing paper that I had traced, and this time I had to use a Dremel to give it that perfect shape on this side. You can see it, and I overall I feel very happy.